finally made it to Beer.
And we saw so many paragliders.
Look, वहाँ पे. Wow.
What a beautiful frame. It's finally day one and we're about to reach Beer. Sanya's about to wake up and I am up already after a horrible night in the bus. I really love annoying people, so here's a voiceover of me singing. After getting down from the bus, we put our bags in a cab and off we went to find our first hostel.
Hi, we finally made it to Beer, and it's pretty, not pretty, but like it's a little bit chilly. Well, how was your ride till
I could
Beer?
not sleep even for a little, for a little bit because there was a lot of snoring, honking going on, and
Even I didn't sleep for like even
But
a
I'm-
second, I would say.
but I'm
we've
excited to be here,
Yeah,
and
we've made it.
I've forgotten the fact that I'm low on sleep. I'm ready to put my bag and go after I take a quick piss.
Not needed, but okay, this is our accommodation. We are living at Ghost Stops. We've booked a private room here.
Wow!
So far it's like really peaceful, not a hell lot of tourists, but that can also be because it's just 7 a.m. right now. So I love this path so much. So there is like space to sit and chill. That's a nice corner to sit in the sun. There's a swing, and here's the reception. Doesn't look like anybody's here, and I don't think we're gonna get an early check-in. Yeah, foosball. We have pool, snooker, and there's this. Quite cute. Shantanu with his GoPro. And yeah, this is what we have so far. Oh, that is like my corner. Oh, so it's like, I'm not sure if I can get on here with shoes, but they have some books and games here as well. And yeah, so that's all we can see right now. I will shortly show you the room tour, and yeah, bye. Bye, Shan. Hi, sweetie.
मैं सो रहा है वो। Damn भाई, इसकी आंखें brown।
Hi, cute.
इसके साथ बच्चा कर ले। भाई तेरे को काटेगा, मेरे को कुछ नहीं।
So of course we could not get a check-in at 7 a.m. So we just strolled out to the landing site, which was like right next to our hostel. I mean, I think we chose like the best hostel in Beer, which is Ghost Stops. So we came to the landing site at 7:30 and it was quite nice. The wind was chilly, the sun was a little warm, like the perfect temperature, right? And we just spent some time here watching the early paragliders make their way down because we had nothing else to do at 7:30 in the morning except to enjoy the beauty, the first few sun rays in Beer, and it was a nice moment.
So going on the vlog.
And after that horror with me touching the dog, it's not what it sounds like. So let me just try to rephrase it. So after my incident with the dog, I still think that I'm making it worse. Maybe I'll just, leave that bit out and just carry on, right? So we just sat down for a while, taking the morning sun in and making our plans for the rest of the day. But who am I kidding? We were just discussing, who does the dog love more.
So this dog is trying to follow us, and Sanya thinks that the dog is following her, and I think the dog is following me. So we're going to split.
मैं नहीं मानता।
उसको पता नहीं मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ, उसको पता नहीं मैं यहाँ खड़ा था। अब रुक जा, एक जगह से हम दो अलग डायरेक्शन में जाएंगे। ठीक है, 3, 2, 1 गो। नहीं नहीं Guys, I've been attacked by an insect, and Sanya says it makes me not vlog worthy, and I just want to say that my imperfections are what makes me perfect.
Can you say that without laughing?
My imperfections are what makes me perfect.
Really?
Yeah. So if you know what this is, please comment and let us know. If you don't, what's up everyone? I'm Nikal pade hain. We still haven't checked in, by the way.
Yeah, we have been roaming around like crazy. So the check-in is pretty late. It's at 1:30ish, and now it is 11:15.
Yes.
So we have a few hours to kill.
Yeah.
So we decided, so like we don't really have the energy right now to do like a full-on trek. So for now we're gonna chill, and like since it's pretty hot right now, so we've decided we are gonna go to a riverfront, which like Sanju found. So it's a 2.5 kilometer ride.
Walk.
Sorry. Walk. So that's where we're heading.
Look at this shaggy dog.
Which one?
Looks like a sheep.
Oh, I thought you were referring to me as the shaggy dog.
But anyway, we are not going to do the waterfall today.
Why not?
I mean, we can do the waterfall today, and Sanya does not have the energy to do the waterfall right now.
Not right now, but maybe like after we've rested for a while we can do it.
I have all the energy to do a waterfall. You know, I'd rather eat at a place like this.
Which one? Yeah, we will. Of
Yeah.
course, because every day we can't eat.
Yeah.
Jump.
Nah, but anyway, so we are going to this place called Bir Khas. It's apparently like just on the side of the river, and Sanya wants to paint something there.
Places are open.
Yeah, my laces are also open. It's a 2.5 kilometer walk. Probably catch you there.
So this was the main street of Bir that connected like a lot of shops and hostels with the landing site, as well as this road extends to Billing as well, which is the takeoff site. And we just walked through the street to reach our destination. At about 12, we just looked right up above ahead, and we saw so many paragliders up in the air. It was a beautiful sight.
Lads, we are 300 meters into our trek, and Miss Kapoor is already saying so
Upward slope.
so
Kinda tough.
is it
Yeah.
I mean, the thing that is bothering me a little is that the place might be a hit or a miss. I mean, I'm okay with that, but for me it's like Sanya barely puts in any effort, so I really want it to be a hit,
What?
because she puts in so much effort and then she goes and it's like "Bleh, ye kya hai, bleh."
That never happened.
So never happens. I have footage from Krabi where
Oh, that was a shit place.
we trekked
Was not worth the effort.
quite high. It was beautiful view, and then Sanya shat on the view so many times. So, which is why, huh?
ये सब डालने का था नहीं ना?
So
मतलब
let this be a secret between you and me.
वहाँ पे. Get the footage of the paragliding.
I don't think it'll come in the GoPro, but if you can see, there are around 8 or 9 parachutes,
There are a ton.
and it's like a lot of mosquitoes or moths swarming around a light post. So it's actually kind of cool. In the morning you saw like 15 or 20 swarm together. You can also like high-five one another in the air.
I wouldn't wanna go at this time.
Yeah, it's too hot to go right now.
No, not that. Just even the amount of crowd that's there currently, I wouldn't want.
Yeah, that's a fair point. You'd rather go. Oh, if you can, I'm not sure if you can see, but there are like 30s and 40s of parachutes up in the air. It's genuinely a lot. I mean, for me, I'd personally be afraid of bumping into another driver. I don't know. It's quite crazy. But yeah. Why do I feel we have missed another turn? No, we have not. Come on. We just have like under 2 kilometers to walk from here. You have done 25%. Whoopee! 25% is a lot.
Yeah.
Not in terms of marks, but in terms of pizza you can eat alone, yes.
बंद कर दे बस, हो गया. बहुत फालतू पकड़ा है. Cut it.
You know Sanya is tired when she starts becoming snappy.
नहीं. I'm not snappy, but it's a pointless vlog at this point. It's not adding value.
Adding so much value, you guys have no idea. I'm a value adder for life. Look who needs water. Look who needs water after 400 meters. Let me remind you that water is for both of us. Please. Why are you showing me a lawnmower? Hi cutie.
Oh.
Didn't we miss you? Didn't we miss you?
Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie.
Come on. Timothy. Just kidding. I have my Timothy with me. Hi Timothy.
Was I not Tom?
Timothy. Timothy.
I thought I was Tom.
Happy birthday, Eve Sanya.
Cute.
Uphill we go.
After meeting Timothy, we were super lucky to meet Bob. Bob was a very chill sheep. We should all aspire to be a Bob in our life.
How are you not tired? Okay. Time out.
What's up everybody? So Sanya and I walked all the way to this very secluded waterfall. There's actually nobody here. It's just me and Sanya at the back. He's painting something. Sanya, say hi. He's trying to paint this beautiful waterfall. We've removed our shoes and everything all the way up there, and then we, toppled over a few rocks. We did some extreme parkour, and now we are here. The water is actually quite cold, and it's actually quite fresh as well, as you can see. Just putting my legs inside the water, sitting, because it's actually very cold here. I mean, not cold, it's very chilly here, and the water helps a lot. You might not be able to see it, but it's also quite sunny, but the trees and the water are calming this entire place down, so it's actually a very good spot to be in. Probably spend like an hour or so here just doing nothing. So I think that's the plan. We're gonna sit here, do nothing, and just enjoy nature while we can. And I'm going to show you Sanya's painting at the end. She's a really good artist. It's going to be interesting. We don't actually have any plans right now. It's just spending time here and then probably see. I think while Sanya paints, I'm going to try to probably move to another rock. So You want me to take you guys? I can take you guys. Whoa, it's quite slippery, you know. Whoops. We moved to another rock here. Probably jump a little, come to another rock. Trying to decide where do I go next. That rock looks nice. That rock looks nice. Sanya's much further away now. That's where I actually came from.
After slipping across multiple rocks and falling from multiple rocks, I finally decided it's time to sit down for a little while, stop being a monkey. So I just set my GoPro on a rock far behind, and I waded through and sat on the rock where Sanya was doing her painting, and I dipped my feet in the water and I tried to enjoy the beauty of the place, how secluded it was and how it was just so peaceful. Just the two of us and the sound of the water trickling through multiple rocks. I must say it was a very beautiful feeling. The name of this place, if you want to go, there's no exact name as such. It's just a river, but the closest landmark I can give you is called Bir Khasi. I'm not sure if Khasi is the name of the river or if Khasi is the name of the Here are a few glimpses of her painting. It's around 20% complete. But if you want to see the full painting, it's on our Instagram, so go check it out. We would honestly love it if you guys could also go to this river and paint the river and then tag us in those comments and those photos. And then finally we had to say goodbye to this beautiful, beautiful river, where we surely left with a promise that we will come back here at some point of time again.
Hello everybody, we are walking back from the nice river spot that we found for ourselves. It's actually very, very nice.
This is basically your reminder to go off the touristy spots
Yes.
and find something of your own.
Yes.
And you're gonna end up having a much better time.
Indeed, we just tried to find where the river was flowing and we just walked until we found this place.
We actually we saw where the river was
Yeah.
and found the
We found
closest
a
spot.
nearest spot to put a pin on Google Maps so we know what path to follow, and then after a certain point we were just listening to the noise and following that. So if
But
you
totally worth it.
Yes.
I had such a good time. I painted for I think 30-40 minutes.
and I jumped across rocks, I did my thing.
Shantanu did not jump across the rocks, he slipped across rocks.
Some rocks were like slides. They wanted to be slides, but they never had the qualification to be slides.
So Shantanu was calling those rocks his arch nemesis
Yeah,
rocks.
because I
he
kept
was-
slipping. So they were my arch nemesis, and I really had to conquer them. So yeah,
Yep. And I did the clumsiest thing ever. I got paint on my sweater that I had preserved for how many years now.
so sad that you had to destroy your sweater like
I
that.
didn't even know this was happening.
She calls me clumsy, but she's the clumsier one.
You'll see.
I hope we'll see. I hope we see.
Now we're gonna go.
Probably try some Tibetan food.
Yeah, so there's a Tibetan cafe. Forgot the name.
Tenzu Mandal.
Don't do that. That's racist.
How is it racist? It's
Because
called Tenzu
No,
Mandal.
it's not called that. It's something else. But so maybe we're gonna try some thukpa, or maybe I don't know what Tibetan food there is available.
Apple
here.
beer.
Apple beer is something that's very famous here, so we're gonna try that. yeah, and we'll catch you in the cafe.
So we finally made it to Tenzin Jamdol for lunch, and we ordered some thukpa, some chicken momos, and we already had like a bottle of Coke and apple beer to share amongst ourselves.
How is it? I take it it's spicy. Is it my taste?
Spicy is an understatement.
Yes.
This all yours. This is a ting mo, which is a Tibetan bread. What do you think it's stuffed?
Stuffed with nothing.
Yeah. Smells like kulcha.
Go for it.
No, not.
I'll break it.
It's very spicy. Yeah. Yep, it's empty. It's like the outside of a bao.
Yep.
I think we can dip it in this.
You can dip it in Hamilton.
Yeah.
I don't need to do that. Having the last
Did you
one.
like apple beer? Because we ordered one more.
Yeah. Good.
What does it taste like?
Happy fizz.
No, it does not. Please don't trust Shantanu on his comparisons.
So after destroying the spicy thukpa, a plate of chicken momos, and the empty bread which they call tingmo, we finally made it to hostel to check in and explore our room.
So this is going to be a room tour, and this is like really cool how this unlocks. So they unlock your door using Bluetooth on your phone. So this is the room. We opted for a private room. So there's this table, bed, there's a mirror, and
Our stuff is magically inside already.
of course this is the bathroom.
Dirty.
The floor doesn't look that clean, but okay. And then I think we also have a balcony.
After checking out the room, we put our phones on charge and we also recharged ourselves because we haven't had any sleep since last night and we have been on the road since the morning. So we just took a quick nap. We also booked tomorrow's paragliding session. And then after that, we were out to watch the sunset.
What's up, everyone? We are back and we're probably heading to see the sunset now. It's gonna set in like 10 to 15 minutes. So we're on our way. Yep, we had like a quick nap of 30 minutes. We got to change our clothes.
Shantanu had it and I gave in. So
Yeah,
sunset time at the landing site.
yep. And we hope we can catch it and we hope it's good. So, yep. Hope to show you guys the sunset soon. This is the sunset right now, and you can see how crowded it is. If you guys remember, it was so empty in the morning, and it's super crowded right now. Can't even find my Shishimanu. I hope Shishimanu finds me. Few people paragliding, having the time of their lives. Hopefully it's gonna be us tomorrow, but for now it's these guys who are trying to find their way down safely. What a landing. Lovely. Hey Sanya, enjoying the sunset or whatever is left of it.
Reanalyzing my decision for tomorrow.
Why?
Kinda scared.
What makes you so scared?
I just don't want to get hurt. That's all.
Why do you think you'll get hurt?
The probability is really less.
Yes.
I think that
You just have to follow whatever your instructor tells you, right? And try not to be over smart.
that won't be.
There's someone landing right behind you if you want to catch him land. What a beautiful frame. And he's landed safely.
Just wanted to give you guys an update. We saw the sunset and we strolled for a bit. We sat down at the landing site for a bit and then
Grab dinner at
small bite. Yes.
6:30, and we went to this place called
Soul Mantra.
right? Yeah. There was this cafe centered around healing, and
How are you
we had a
feeling,
bunch
Sana?
of like Shantanu had Irish coffee,
So
and we had like some potato wedges. Not that great.
garlic
we-
potato veggies, to
yeah.
be honest.
And I think we still have to have dinner. It's it's 9 o'clock. We haven't had dinner.
I don't feel hungry.
But we did grab like the specialty of every hill station in the Himalayas, which is like their fruit wine. So we got.
You wanna show them?
Yeah. So we got two things. One of them is this.
Pear wine.
This is a pear fruit wine,
Yep.
and really excited. I've tried almost all the fruit flavors and they've been good. And one thing I was very surprised to see was this. It is the Toit Stray Apple Cider. I had this when I went to Bangalore to meet my best friend, so I was really surprised to see this here, and I had to buy this for her, like in her honor, because this reminds me of her. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be having tonight because it's my birthday tomorrow, and that's how we'll be celebrating.
We also got like two
Cake.
slices of cake. One is a carrot cake,
And-
which was my choice, and one was a banana walnut
No,
vegan
carrot cake was my choice.
which was Sania's choice. But
Yeah, we got it from June 16, which is like a really famous bakery here, and it's right next to our
Yeah,
accommodation. So I'm really excited to see how that tastes, and yeah, really excited to bring in my birthday.
Sania's gonna be 28.
No, it's my 25th. And also, we have like booked paragliding for tomorrow morning.
At
so
7 a.m.
It's at 7 a.m. and I am really scared. And also it's going to be really cold up there in the morning. So let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed that we make it out alive tomorrow.
We will.
If I die on my birthday, it'll be a full circle moment, I think. So
Zero displacement.
displacement.
you die when you were born.
Yeah.
Zero displacement.
Yeah.
You did nothing. Yeah.
Yeah, so we hope that goes well. Of course, we'll take you along for the ride, and yeah, see you tomorrow. And this marks like the end of our successful first day in me.
End of 24 hours. Let's go.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Sania. For tomorrow.
Bye. Baby. Thank you. Do you remember that?
कैंडल तो ले आते।
शांतनु का प्रॉब्लम है ना, मेरा थोड़ी है.
भाई मैंने इससे पूछा था सानिया केक के साथ कैंडल ले लें, कहती नहीं क्या बुझानी तो है. बुढ़ी हो गई है भाई, बुढ़ी हो गई है भाई. मुझे भी खिला दे. इंडेक्सिंग 0 से स्टार्ट होती है.
बाप रे, कोडर वाली बातें कर
ये
रहा है।
क्या, मेरे को तो समझ भी नहीं आई बात, छोड़ो. पैराग्लाइडिंग है, आई एम सो नर्वस भाई, बहुत डर लग रहा है मेरे को. मैं कैसे करेंगे, मर जाऊंगी मैं तो.